The most efficient car America has ever tested has no steering wheel. 165 watt-hours per mile. Nothing comes close. Tesla has already built hundreds. A drone counted 245 parked outside Giga Texas in July. No wheel, no pedals, 2 seats. Tesla employees already ride in them, driverless, across the Giga Texas campus. The ramp is real. 102 in June, 245 in July. That's 4 new Cybercabs a day. Here's why that matters. Build a car with no controls, and Washington normally caps you at $2,500 a year. Rivals take the exemption and the cap. Tesla says it self-certified the Cybercab instead, so no cap applies. The economics are the point. A small 48 kilowatt-hour pack, nearly 300 miles of range, barely 3,000 pounds. Robot taxi already runs in Austin, Miami, Orlando, and Tampa. Phoenix and Las Vegas are next. Tesla is building the cars to match. Would you ride in a car with no steering wheel? Tell me below. I'm Autonomy Wire. News without the noise.